Namaste everyone, I am Dr. Trupti Bhatt. I welcome you to Asangoham blood pressure workshop. Now what is this blood pressure? We have heard this word so many times and very much frequently, right? So let's understand what happens in this blood pressure. People who are having blood pressure means the pressure of blood to their blood vessels is high. Right? And when this pressure remains consistently for a longer time high, it becomes a blood pressure. And then we need to treat with medicine or whatever way we choose to treat it. Right? And if we see that day by day, number of patients having blood pressure increases. No? It was 27% in a general survey by World Health Organization. And it is predicted that it is going to be increased more by coming years. So how to handle this situation? I would love to guide you in a yogic way, how we can manage, how we can handle this monster, how we can keep this problem away from our life. So in my workshop, I am going to teach a few asanas that help to reduce blood pressure they are having and they are already on the treatment. And for those who don't want blood pressure in their life, as a preventive measure, we can do really practice of asana in a regular routine, and we can keep this state of disease away from us. And I'm going to teach few pranayams. You know, everyone we know that asana, pranayam, yoga is very good to keep the diseases away. Right? But how? When you do these things in a proper guidance with the proper instructor, then it helps you. You know, many a times when you do it by yourself, you are doing mistakes and there is nobody to correct it, right? So in pranayams also, it is very much important how you regulate, how you channelize your breath. You know, the stoppage and regulation of breath, which I am teaching in my pranayam workshop, that we are going to do in this blood pressure workshop. What pranayams are important and useful for keeping your blood pressure low? You know, all the pranayams cannot be done with everyone. You know, those people who are having already a blood pressure problem, they cannot do all the pranayams because many a times holding of the breath, stopping of the breath, it harms you more rather than helping you. In my workshop, I am going to teach few asanas that help to reduce blood pressure, like all the heart opening asanas. You know, when a person is having blood pressure, his heart chakra is very much imbalanced. So whenever we do asana practice that opens up your heart, so automatically it reduces your blood pressure, like Ustrasana or Matsyasana or Paschimottanasana, the inversions like Halasana, Viparit Karni. Those are the asanas. They are very simple yet very much effective. So I am going to teach in a proper way how to do the asana along with the breath, along with the coordination of breath, and that helps you the maximum. And one more beautiful thing, I am going to teach in my workshop that how your ahar, means how the food should be. What are the food should be taken and what are should be avoided. Then vihar, that is, what are the recreation ways that can calm down your mind, that can keep you stress free. Then vichar, that is, what kind of a thought you should practice daily to reduce or to stay away from these problems. And this blood pressure is such a silent killer, you know, that affect all over your body from the head to toe. Our heart is just like a fist size and it rules all over the body. And when this pressure of the walls increases, it affects your heart, kidneys, lungs, eyes, all over the body. So let's inculcate this yogic way in a daily routine and keep this thing away from your life and have a healthy, beautiful, happy life. And you know, disease-free body and stress-free mind is the birthright for all the human beings. So let's explore. Let's join me in this blood pressure workshop. Namaste.